Hey Voyage viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into something that might just change the way you travel. We're talking about making friends, but not just anywhere, up in the air during a flight. Whether you're flying solo or just open to meeting new people, today's tips will help you master the art of friendship at 35,000 feet. So buckle up and let's get started. Tip number 1, bring extra snacks. This is probably the easiest icebreaker. Offering a snack can open up a conversation with your seat neighbor. Just make sure to choose snacks that are easy to share and not too messy or smelly. Moving on to tip number 2, compliment them. Whether it's their luggage, a book they're reading, or even a piece of jewelry. Giving a genuine compliment can make someone's day and start a conversation. Tip number 3, ask travel advice. People love to share their experiences. Ask about their favorite destination or tips for beating jet lag. It shows you value their opinion and can lead to more in-depth discussions. Tip number 4, offer help. If you see someone struggling with their luggage or trying to get comfortable, offering a helping hand can be a great way to break the ice. Tip number 5, use the in-flight entertainment. Start a conversation about the movies or shows available on the flight. Maybe you've seen the movie they're about to watch and can recommend it, or warn them away. For tip number 6, share a travel hack. If you have a travel pillow that twists in a cool way, or a gadget that makes life easier, show it off. It's a great conversation starter and can be genuinely helpful to your fellow passengers. Tip number 7, talk about your destination. Whether you're heading home or on an adventure, sharing what you're looking forward to about your destination can excite both you and your new friend. Number 8, ask open-ended questions. Instead of yes or no questions, ask things like what kind of places do you like to travel? This can open up the conversation and show genuine interest. Tip number 9, bring a game. A travel-sized board game or a deck of cards can be a fun way to pass the time and interact with others. It's especially useful if you're seated next to someone who also seems open to chatting. Tip number 10, discuss the meal options. When the food cart comes around, you can discuss the choices. It's a casual way to start talking without much pressure. Tip number 11, offer to share a magazine or book. If you're done reading, ask your seatmate if they'd like to take a look. It's a small gesture that can go a long way. Number 12, talk about the flight. Discussing your experiences with flying, whether it's nervousness or excitement, can create a bond. It's something you're both currently experiencing together. Tip number 13, offer tech help. If your seatmate struggles with their in-flight screen or any other gadget, offering to help can be a great opener. Tip number 14, initiate a group conversation. If you're in a row or area with several solo travelers, introducing everyone can make the flight more enjoyable for all. Tip 15, be positive and friendly. Keep your body language open and inviting. Smile, nod, and show that you're approachable. Number 16, share a travel story. Have a funny or unique travel story. Sharing it can lighten the mood and make the flight feel shorter. And finally, tip number 17, just say hello. Sometimes the simplest way to make a new friend is to start with a simple hello. It opens up the door to all the possibilities of a new conversation. And those are our 17 ways to make friends during a flight. Remember, the key is to be respectful and considerate of others' space and comfort. Every friendship starts with a single interaction, so don't be shy. Reach out with a kind word or a thoughtful gesture. Thanks for watching. If you tried any of these tips or have others to share, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips from VoyageView. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.